Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to all of you. It is indeed a privilege for me to be addressing this gathering of exemplary TB champions. It's really inspiring to learn about your journeys, experiences, and efforts to fight this infectious disease which continues to affect millions of our people. Recognizing the deep social and economic impact tuberculosis has on its patients, the government led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has accorded high priority for ending tuberculosis in India by 2025, 5 years ahead of the Sustainable Development Goals target of 2030. In recent years, India has taken several critical steps to emerge as a leader to chart the roadmap for a TB-free world. Our National TB Elimination Program has drafted an ambitious national strategic plan to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal target related to tuberculosis by 2025 and is being implemented accordingly. It embraces bold strategies with commensurate resources to rapidly decline TB incidence and mortality. We have enhanced access to molecular diagnostics by decentralizing CBNet and TrueNet services, enabling earlier detection of drug resistance. Through active case finding, India has reached out to the unreached and vulnerable groups. We are committed to scaling up access to free diagnosis through rapid molecular tests and providing free treatment for all TB patients using best quality drugs and regimes, along with providing financial and nutritional support. National TB Elimination Program has instituted many innovations such as contracting of patient provider support agencies to enhance engagement with the private sector. Through integration of TB services with Ayushman Bharat, the largest comprehensive healthcare and health protection program in the world, TB has been made an essential part of comprehensive primary health care. Sub-national surveillance of TB and disease-free certification has been introduced, wherein states and districts that have achieved significant reduction in incidence of TB from 2015 baselines are being assessed and awarded bronze, silver, gold or TB-free certifications. To strengthen community engagement, TB forums have been established across the country, which provide a common platform to government officials, physicians, civil society and representatives from patient groups to discuss all concerns pertaining to service delivery and patient care. I would like to highlight that these bold commitments are also being backed by affirmative action, policies and resources. Resource allocation for TB has witnessed a substantial increase in recent years. Last year, the government has disbursed more than 249.43 crores to over 11.10 lakh patients as nutrition support under Nikshay Poshan Yojana. TB elimination efforts did see a few setbacks with the onset of COVID-19, like case notification in March 2020 decreased by 21% as compared to January 2020 due to lockdowns, but as soon as it was lifted, we have managed to cover much of the lost ground and were able to notify a total of over 18 lakh TB cases in 2020. While this has been a difficult time for all of us, prompt decisions and constant advisories issued to states largely resulted in provision of uninterrupted services to TB patients. We have issued guidelines for bidirectional screening for tuberculosis and COVID, and also initiated screening for TB among cases of influenza-like illness and severe acute respiratory illness. Friends, considering the extensive TB burden and the gamut of challenges, we must agree that much more needs to be done with support from all stakeholders. To address tuberculosis, the first step is that we need to stop thinking of biomedical solutions only. TB is a social disease. I strongly believe TB control needs to be taken up by all of us as a developmental issue. We have called upon a Jan Andolan against TB to reinforce our commitment to end TB through multi-sectoral and integrated actions. Just this week, recognizing the leading role we have been playing in tackling TB, India has been asked to take on the role of chair at the Stop TB Partnership. I am honored to represent our country in the capacity of chairman of the partnership and to work with TB champions across the globe to steer efforts towards eradicating this disease globally. This will further help in the exchange of best practices and knowledge among all stakeholders, while also integrating and reinvigorating global efforts to effectively address this grave health hazard by making it a people's movement. Before I conclude, I would like to place on record my immense appreciation for Survivors Against TB for holding this crucial India TB Summit. I am confident and optimistic that with the continuous support of organizations like yours and through collaborations across all sectors, India will be able to conquer the battle against TB and achieve the target of ending tuberculosis by 2025. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to address this esteemed gathering. I wish India TB Summit a grand success.